BlueZoo delivers solutions to measure audiences for out-of-home advertising. BlueZoo sensors reliably measure impressions, dwell time, and unique visitor counts, as well as a series of advanced analytics including traffic flow. Users can create campaigns for unique visitor and traffic flow measurements. Both types of campaigns report data at a daily grain. Unique visitor campaigns can also be specified with weekly, monthly, or quarterly periods. Unique visitor data are cumulative within each cycle of the specified period. Cumulative campaigns can recur indefinitely, with no limit to the number of cycles reported. Measurement results are uploaded to BlueZoo's data warehouse once per day, just after midnight, local time. Unique visitor and flow analytics must be defined as campaigns, unlike visits and other analytics which do not require reconfiguration. To create a campaign, access the BlueZoo dashboard from the BlueZoo.io webpage. Sign in to see the home screen of Hotels International. Navigate to Campaigns in the left menu. Here you can see pending, ongoing, and completed campaigns. Let's review the results for past days of the campaign, Constitution Room UV. This unique visitor campaign has a single sensor, Constitution Room, as its target, and it's been active since February 16th. The campaign is collecting data for daily, weekly, monthly, and quarterly periods. Let's look at the analytics, clicking on the top menu. The default view is for the last 7 days of the daily campaign period. The number of unique visitors range from 3,000 to over 6,000 people, with Monday having the smallest count and Friday having the largest count. Each day's count is fully independent of the other days. You can see that, on Friday, unique visitors visited once or twice during the day, with a handful visiting 4 separate times during the day. By comparison, on Monday, 187 visitors visited 10 or more times during the day. Let's change the date range to start on March 1st. You can see that there is moderate variability during the month. Now, rather than look at the daily campaign period, where each day's unique visitors are measured independently, let's look at the weekly campaign where the unique visitor counts are cumulative for the week. The counter is reset on the first day of each week. Now, each day shows the cumulative number of unique visitors for that week, starting on Monday. You can see that the fraction of unique visitors that have visited twice increases during each week and that the number that have visited 10 or more times also increases. Now let's look at the monthly campaign period. As before at this location, most unique visitors visit only once, but the share that visit twice or more grows throughout the month. Here, the unique visitor counter is reset on the first day of each month. The insight that this measurement gives us is that the unique visitor recurrence rate is low. An advertisement shown at this location is not being shown over and over again to the same people, but mostly to new people. This argues that the same advertisement can productively be displayed for a long period without fear of saturation. Other locations will reach saturation more quickly, but not this location. Let's close this visualization and look at another kind of campaign, the flow campaign, which measures how people move among sensors. Let's select the flow campaign for Hotel Downtown. Flow campaigns measure the flow of people among multiple sensors or groups of sensors. The Hotel Downtown Flow campaign measures the movement of people among 6 sensors in Hotel Downtown. Flow campaigns deliver 2 kinds of analytics, transitions and correlations. Let's look at transitions. Transition data measures the share of a day's visitors who move from one location to another. Within the sensors at Hotel Downtown, we can see that 51% visit Bill's Bar, making it the most popular destination measured. Consistent with that, the first destination of people that arrive at the hotel is more likely Bill's Bar than any other. Data shown here aggregates visitor paths over the week. You can also look at paths for individual days, or even entire months. Another visualization of flow data is to focus on a specific location and examine how people arrive at this location and where they go when they leave. If we focus on Bill's Bar for the last week, we see that 52% of people who enter the hotel go to Bill's Bar, and for 48% of visitors, Bill's Bar is their final destination. But traffic flow can vary. Let's look at Thursday, March 16th. On this day, the bar is less popular. Only 35% go to the bar upon arriving and 32% leave from the bar. If you want to encourage people to go to the bar, advertising or better signage might help. You can use BlueZoo to measure the success of your promotional campaigns. The focus view lets us track the movement of people, on aggregate, throughout the hotel for the date range selected. Now, let's configure a new campaign. Select the plus icon to open the Create Campaign wizard. The first step in the wizard is to select the type of campaign, either a unique visitor or a flow campaign. Let's create a unique visitor campaign and then select the campaign's target. This target can be a space, a group, or one or more locations. We'll choose a group to see how many unique visitors come to the lobbies of the 4 hotels. Let's start the campaign immediately and include all 4 campaign periods: daily, weekly, monthly, and quarterly. Let's have the campaign continue indefinitely until stopped. Finally, let's give the campaign a descriptive name. Click on Create to finish the setup. The campaign status is pending, scheduled to start tomorrow, and has an ongoing duration. When we close the window, we'll see this new campaign in our list of campaigns. Creating a flow campaign is very similar. This wraps up our overview demo of the BlueZoo campaign functionality. Please visit our website for more demos presenting the BlueZoo product family. Other demos focus on dashboard analytics, sensor calibration, and audits of BlueZoo audience measurements performed using our mobile app.